Mark the forbidden area. Keep a 2-finger distance around the navel. Draw a line along the edge of the lowest rib. Draw a line along the edge of the iliac bone. Use a ruler to measure the operating area of the handle, 18 RS 8.0 mm. And then use the ruler to draw lines on the abdomen. Evenly apply gel to the marked treatment areas. (18 RS 8.0 mm) Energy 0.5. RF energy level 0.5. Default mode normal. Dotting suggestion, rectangular dotting. When using the handle, the operation is controlled by stepping on the pedal. Keep treatment head movements at 1 mm intervals until the area is fully covered. Mild stinging, soreness, or warmth are normal. Adjust settings if the recipient experiences discomfort. Wipe the treated area with a towel.